Today on BezRe, we're reviewing ASUS ROG Swift 4K OLED. Check the link in the description for the best price. Hey everyone, and welcome back to BezReviews. Today we are looking at the ASUS ROG Swift PG32UCDMR, a 32-inch 4K QD-OLED gaming monitor that promises top-tier performance for both gamers and creators. Let's dive into what makes this monitor a serious contender for top-tier performance, starting. The 32-inch 4K QD-OLED display provides breadth. Gamers will appreciate the blazing fast 240Hz refresh rate and 0.3 milliseconds response time, along with GSYNC compatibility for tier-free gameplay. With 99% DCI, P3, true 10-bit color, and Delta E less than 2, this monitor is also a fantastic choice. You get extensive connectivity, including DisplayPort 2.1, HDMI 2.1, and USB-C with 90 watts of power delivery for single-cable solutions. Overall, the ASUS ROG Swift PG32UCDMR sets a high bar for visual performance, gaming responsiveness, color. Moving beyond raw performance, let's look at the overall value proposition and long-term ownership. Priced at $179.99, it's a premium monitor, but the $120 discount from its list price offers a more attractive entry. A standout feature is the excellent 3-year warranty, which includes burn-in coverage, a critical benefit for any OLED panel. ASUS includes advanced OLED Care Pro functions like the Neo Proximity Sensor, which intelligently helps to reduce the risk. The package is comprehensive, including all necessary cables and a valuable 3-month Adobe Creative Cloud subscription. Ultimately, the monitor offers solid value for its category, bolstered by an excellent warranty, proactive OLED. Ultimately, the ASUS ROG Swift PG32UCDMR stands out as an exceptional monitor for those who demand the absolute best in visual quality and speed. Its combination of a stunning 4K QD-OLED panel, lightning-fast performance, and comprehensive connectivity makes it a top choice.